Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Factories across the world are suffering from supply bottlenecks, which sent prices skyrocketing in July, demonstrating the fragile nature of the global recovery. The Monetary Authority of Singapore has granted an in-principle approval to cryptocurrency exchange Independent Reserve, allowing it to operate as a regulated provider for digital payment token services. Tesla Inc. investors suing over CEO Elon Musk's 2018 tweet claiming he had secured funding to take the company private want the private equity executive Musk spoke with about the potential $72 billion transaction to testify.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT, Australia's RBA rate statement at 4:30 GMT, the Eurozone's Producer Price Index at 900 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 4:30 GMT, Spain's unemployment change at 700 GMT, the UK's 30-year bond auction at 9:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.